Annyeonghaseyo! Hello again, it's Master Daniel Clark here with some friends of mine. We got Tamago and Bada. They're gonna help me play a game and you guys can join in on the fun. We're gonna play a game called Copycat. So we're gonna start in a horse stance, so feet apart, hands right here. And if you were paying attention, we are gonna do some of the blocks we learned doing Kibon. Specifically, the high block, show me those high blocks. And inside block, show me those inside blocks, good. And down blocks, just like that. All right, so in this game, I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And on 3, you're going to pick either high block, inside block, or down block. Let's try one time, ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. And if one of you guys copy me, you guys at home can do a couple push-ups, but my friends here, they know better, and they shouldn't copy me. Okay, are you guys ready to play? Yeah. Let's start, but wait a minute. I'm a little out of place here. Maybe I should be in my ultimate form. Hey everyone, you can call me Sensei Kim Chi. Alright everyone, we're gonna go ahead and play this game. Now let's remember how to do our high blocks, inside blocks, and down blocks. Alright, now everyone, get into a horse stance just like this. Feet apart, legs bent. Alright, remember, high block, you take your hand and you go it all the way up, just like this. Alright, good, alright. With our inside block, you gotta show off that muscle and go right across your body, just like that. Alright, last one is down block. So make sure that hand goes all the way up to your shoulder and down to your side. Show me those down blocks. There you go. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna play Copycat. So for those of you at home, you want to make sure you do something different. Make sure you don't do the same thing I do. And if you copy me, so for example, if I'm doing high block and you're doing high block too, you at home can do 3 push-ups. But these guys, they're not gonna get off that easy. Hand me my sword. Ha! Yeah! That's what's gonna happen if my buddies copy me. Here we go, round 1, and 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, you both copied me! You both shouldn't do that, how dare you! Alright, ready, and 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, you copied me! No copying! Alright, ready? Round 3, and 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got off easy that time, but you copied me! Let's try again. Last round. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3. Oh man, you guys didn't copy me. Very good. Alright, now we're gonna change the rules. This time, we're gonna flip them upside down. And you guys, now you want to copy me. So if I do a high block, you guys better do a high block as well. That way, you'll be safe. If you do anything else, you at home could do 3 push-ups. These guys will get the sword. Alright, let's try. Ready? Horse stance. Here we go. And round 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you didn't copy me. Ah, get out of here. All right, here we go. And round 2. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, good job. You guys are on a roll. Let's try again. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Ooh, another victory for my buddies. All right, here we go. One more time. And 1, 2, 3. I got you. Ha! You didn't copy me. All right, very good job. I hope you guys had a good time, everyone. Hands and feet together. Kunye. And everyone bow. And everyone say it with me. 감사합니다. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so very much.
Go to aibtv.com/donate to support programming like this. Your contributions may be tax deductible.